In 2021, we launched LED UV Spot, high-intensity UV output, for the rapid curing of UV adhesives and epoxies. Another new product is drum-to-cartridge loading system. This helps to easily transfer any kind of material from drum to cartridge. We also launched our new website, To Serve You Better. We are excited about our new technology, so we filmed a new corporate video to inspire. In the video, we demonstrated our dispensing capability. We filmed many new case studies and product videos to help you to find solution to your dispensing problems. In the year of huge challenges, we are glad to make use of technology, like Zoom. We used it to stay connected with you globally, and we participated the virtual exhibition at the Switch event. We won't be able to achieve so much without you. We thank you for that.